What's up, YouTube? What's up, y'all? My name's Robert Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so quick, let me get to what we're doing today. I'm going to give you guys 5 fonts that you can use for your Ramadan designs, your Eid or other Mubarak designs. Okay, so first font is called Awal Ramadan, and this font is very dope. I just used it not long ago on my Instagram. Yes, this is the work that I did. Very nice font. You can use it for any work that you want to do. Concerns either Ada or either Mubarak, any other work. Yes, let's move on to the second font, and we have Bulan. This is Bulan, right? This is Bulan. Bulan is a very nice font. It also has the vibe to it. You have like that kind of Arabic vibe to it. Yes, it's also a very nice font. You can try it, use it out in whatever work you want to do. And the next font is Sketsa Ramadan. And so far, Sketsa is my favorite because the way it looks, it's very dope. You can use it for any other work that you want to use, right? So Sketsa Ramadan, very nice font. Use it for all your Eid Mubarak, either other works, whatever. Yes, let's move on to the next font. And the next font is ha- is it Hakil? Come on, it's something like Kahil or something. Let me check. Let me check. Yes, the name is Kahil, right? Yes, it is Kahil. So obviously I've made a mistake. Let me correct it. So it's Kahil. Yes. Kahlil. Yes, this is also the font. It also has the vibe to it, the Arabic vibe to it. Yes, you can also use this for any other artwork that you want to use. And the last font we have here is Ramadan Fest. You see this one too. It's very dope, very nice. You can use it for any Ramadan design, Mubarak design, either Ada, either Fettel, any other design that you want to use it for, you can. So yeah, guys, this is 5 fonts that you can use for your either other designs. But so far, my favorite is the Sketsa and also the Awal Ramadan. Yes, you can use either of them for your artworks, and you're good to go. Yes, and also, guys, I want to thank you all. We have 4,000 subscribers here. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful to you all for sticking with me to this far. Very, very grateful to you all. And also with the fonts, you can check fontspace.com. You just get there, you search for any of the fonts, and you're going to have it. You just click on this button and you're good to go. Fontspace.com, and you're good to go. Yes, guys, that'll be it for the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.